us learn and play. Guide us kindly every day. Play elders show us what is right. Share their wisdom kind and bright. Say hello and thank you too. Show respect in all we